Have you ever wondered what a fuel pressure sensor is or what it does in your car? A fuel pressure sensor, in its simplest terms, is a crucial component of your vehicle's fuel system. It's a nifty device that constantly measures the pressure of the fuel supplied to the engine. Think of it as a diligent guardian, ensuring that the fuel pressure is kept at an optimal level. It communicates with the engine control unit, or ECU, to maintain the perfect balance of fuel and air in your engine. This harmony is what makes your car run smoothly and efficiently. But that's not all. The fuel pressure sensor also helps to reduce your car's emissions, making your vehicle more environmentally friendly. So, next time you're cruising down the highway, remember the tireless work of your fuel pressure sensor. In essence, the fuel pressure sensor is the unsung hero of your car's fuel system, ensuring your engine runs smoothly and efficiently. So what exactly does this fuel pressure sensor do, you may ask? Well, in simple terms, the fuel pressure sensor is like a vigilant sentinel, constantly monitoring the pressure of the fuel that's supplied to your engine. Here's how it works. The fuel pressure sensor is typically located on the fuel rail of your car's engine. It's in constant communication with your car's computer system, known as the Engine Control Unit, or ECU. As the fuel from the fuel tank is pumped towards the engine, the sensor keeps a close watch on the pressure of this fuel. Why does this matter? Well, the pressure of the fuel can significantly impact how your engine performs. Too much pressure can lead to a rich fuel mixture, causing your engine to run inefficiently and potentially damage it. On the other hand, too little pressure can lead to a lean fuel mixture, which might result in your engine not getting enough fuel to operate optimally. The fuel pressure sensor is the one that tells the ECU what's going on. It sends data about the fuel pressure to the ECU, and the ECU then adjusts the fuel pump and the fuel injectors accordingly. If the sensor detects high pressure, the ECU will decrease the speed of the fuel pump to reduce the pressure. If the sensor detects low pressure, the ECU will increase the speed of the fuel pump to raise the pressure. The ECU may also adjust the opening times of the fuel injectors to ensure the engine gets the right amount of fuel it needs. This dynamic process happens in real time as you drive, ensuring that your car's engine always has the right amount of fuel for efficient operation. So, in essence, the fuel pressure sensor is an integral part of your car's fuel system. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of your engine's fuel supply, contributing to efficient fuel consumption, and ultimately, the overall performance of your vehicle. The fuel pressure sensor, therefore, ensures that your car has the right amount of fuel for efficient operation. Let's recap what we've learned so far about the fuel pressure sensor. This little device, tucked away in your vehicle, has the crucial job of monitoring the pressure of the fuel supplied to your engine. By keeping a vigilant eye on this pressure, the sensor ensures that the right amount of fuel is always delivered to your engine at the right time. Think of the fuel pressure sensor as the conductor of an orchestra, where the various parts of your engine are the musicians. Without the conductor's guidance, the musicians won't know when to play their parts, and the performance would be a disaster. Similarly, without the fuel pressure sensor, your engine won't perform optimally, leading to poor mileage and potentially damaging your engine over time. So, to sum it up, the fuel pressure sensor plays a pivotal role in maintaining the health and efficiency of your engine by adjusting fuel pressure as needed. With a well-functioning fuel pressure sensor, you can expect a smooth and efficient ride. Now that we understand the role of the fuel pressure sensor, how can we tell if it's not working properly? The answer lies in understanding and identifying the 6 common symptoms of a faulty fuel pressure sensor. First off is poor fuel economy. This happens when the sensor sends incorrect signals to the car's computer, causing it to use more fuel than necessary. You may notice that you're filling up the tank more often, even though your driving habits haven't changed. Next, we have difficulty starting the engine. A misbehaving sensor can cause the fuel pressure to be too high or too low, making it hard for the engine to start. You might find yourself turning the key several times before your engine finally roars to life. The third symptom is engine performance issues. If the fuel pressure sensor is faulty, it can cause the engine to misfire, lose power, or even stall. This is because the incorrect fuel pressure can disrupt the engine's combustion process, which is crucial for the engine to run smoothly. Fourth on our list is the dreaded check engine light. This little light is the car's way of telling you that something is wrong. If the fuel pressure sensor is malfunctioning, it can trigger your check engine light to come on. Don't ignore this light. It's your car's cry for help. Next up is stalling and hesitation. Similar to the engine performance issues, a bad fuel pressure sensor can cause the car to hesitate when accelerating or even stall out completely. This can be particularly dangerous if it happens while you're driving, so it's important to get it checked out as soon as you notice this symptom. Lastly, we have fuel leaks. While this is a less common symptom, a faulty fuel pressure sensor can cause fuel to leak from the fuel system. If you notice a strong smell of gasoline around your car or spots of fuel under your car, it's vital to get this checked immediately, as it can pose a significant safety risk. So there you have it, the 6 symptoms of a bad fuel pressure sensor: poor fuel economy, difficulty starting the engine performance issues, a check engine light, stalling and hesitation, and fuel leaks. Each of these symptoms can be a sign that your fuel pressure sensor is not doing its job correctly. Of course, these symptoms can also indicate other issues with your car, so it's always best to get a professional to check it out. But knowing these symptoms can help you identify a potential problem with your fuel pressure sensor early, potentially saving you from costly repairs down the line.